Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on iPhone. So first of all, select the app that you want to hide. For example, I will be considering Facebook in this video. So first of all, long press on the app. Then click on Require Face ID. Now click on Hide and Require Face ID. Now click on Hide App. So now as you can see, my Facebook application is hidden and I can't even find it even if I try to search it. Now if you want to open it, what you have to do is that swipe right on your screen to the app library. In the library, you have to scroll down towards the end and click on the folder that is named as hidden. Once you will click on it, it will require your Face ID and then you will be able to see your Facebook application. Now, if you want to unhide it, you again have to long press on the application and click on Don't Require Face ID. Now as you can see, my Facebook application is present in my app library and I can drag it back to my home screen whenever I want. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.